Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video 82. Yeah, I've been off for 2 days now of YouTube because I got a bit upset after Noah was watching my last video. It's been like almost 3 days now when I uploaded actually, and not a single person has watched that video even though it's fully public. Yeah, so I got upset, been off of YouTube for a while, but got better now and here I am. So, moving on now, today, the storm is coming here in southwest Turkey. Yeah, as you can see, the weather is getting really dark now outside because the big clouds are coming. Been hearing a lot of storm, thunder crash and that. It's quite scary. Well, a bit scary for me, but very scary for children. So yeah. So in any minute now, the rain's going to be pouring. And when that happens, I'm going to record it as well. So yeah, so that's it for this scene. But the next scene, which will be in seconds, it'll be raining. Okay guys, the rain is now starting. It's not that heavy yet, but I'm sure it will get a lot heavier very soon. I think you can see the rain from here. All these black clouds and that over us. I haven't had that for a while. If you're wondering what's happened to this building there, about 6 years ago, this construction site was left abandoned after the council stopped them for making an extra floor, which is the top one you can see. This top floor was not permitted by council, so therefore they were forced to stop the construction. And then exactly this time last year, they tried to knock the top floor down. Then they just left it again. And this time I don't know what it's for, but that's the story I know about this apartment for now. Guys, it's been well over an hour now, it's been raining. We're trying not to stay as much as I can see now. So guys, look at that, all these black clouds coming. It's already getting really dark and it's still over an hour until the sun sets. I already have got my kitchen light on. Big thunder. Look at that cloud over there. And here's the thunder. Okay guys, as the storms begin to close in and get louder, my cat starts to freak out a little bit. You're on YouTube again, Luna. I'm trying to show your reaction for the storm. So guys, it's 5 o'clock PM and I already got the light on. The sun does not set until 6 o'clock. It's gone really dark, but the rain has stopped for a bit. But the thunder is getting really, really loud. So this is the 1.5 hour long time-lapse video, which only lasts for 20 seconds. So I'm going to do the video editing now, but I won't upload it until tomorrow because we keep getting a lot of power cuts, and if I try to upload it now while the power keeps going off, it's just going to mess things up. So I'm going to have to wait for a day, but by the time you see this video it'll be uploaded. So that'll be exactly 3 days I've been off of YouTube. Yeah, the weather's absolutely horrible outside. I just went out shopping to do some to get some food and that. And also while I was shopping, the power went off for a sec, for 10 seconds at least, exactly. Everyone panicked, don't know why. There it is. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.